Hi, welcome back to Push for Ontario. It's Manny and Wes here just to give you an update on our RS America project for 2022. I'm going to pass you over to Wes because we've been very busy, or he's been very busy, and he can give you some details.
Yeah, as you last saw, the car was a bare shell from the bottom. We've put all the suspension components in. We've installed the oil cooling system, the AC refrigerant system, a lot of the wire harness, lights, front bumper, some of the body pieces have gone back on. Currently we are reassembling the engine and the transmission and get those back in the next couple of weeks, and hopefully show you a lot more progress very soon.
We will be posting regular videos, photos, and updates on the usual channels, Instagram, Facebook, and LinkedIn. So please don't forget to check us out there. Oh, and YouTube as well. We will be posting some videos on YouTube. So keep in touch. It's now do or die. We're running out of time, but we will be posting regular stuff. So just keep updated with our websites, and and we hope to see you soon. Thank you.